What makes you look good? A fancy car? A big bungalow? Or a cabinet full of trophies? None of these. You need just three things to be the best version of yourself: fitness, grooming, and styling. First things first, looking good. Starts with feeling good. Kickstart your day with some exercise to instantly boost your fitness and energy levels. When you exercise, the body releases endorphins, also known as happy hormones. So make exercise your daily morning mantra. For just a few minutes every morning, I close my eyes and feel gratitude for a beautiful new day. I visualize a productive day filled with positivity. The mind is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. Level 1 fitness is done. Are you ready for the next step? It's really important to follow a morning grooming ritual. Use a good face wash to remove oil, dirt, and dead skin. Let the water hydrate your skin. And now you're ready to shave off that morning stubble. Lather up some shave gel and let your beard soak in for a bit. Use a good quality razor. Make light and gentle strokes with your razor to remove the hair. Once you're done, splash some zesty aftershave to cool and moisturize your skin. Spray on a good deodorant to keep body odor at bay. So now you're well groomed, face, body, and mind. Let's move on to the last level. To win in the corporate arena, you need a special weapon. Presenting the classic business suit. Your first suit should be a classic color like charcoal grey, navy blue, or black. Fit is the most important thing when it comes to a suit. First and foremost, the shoulder pads should end where your shoulders do. What is the ideal sleeve length for your jacket? The right sleeve length is such that it exposes just 1/4 of an inch of your shirt cuff. How do you know your jacket is too loose or too tight? Your jacket is the perfect size if your flat hand passes easily under the lapels with the top button fastened. What is the right length of trouser for you? A 1-inch break above your shoes is ideal. Do you know the sometimes, always, never rule for suits? What it means is that in a 3-button business suit, you should sometimes fasten the top button, you should always fasten the middle button, and you should never fasten the bottom button. Also always remember to unbutton when you're sitting down. Now that you're suited up, it's time to up your game by choosing the right accessories. Choose a tie that contrasts well with your suit and formal shirt. Your tie should end just on top of your belt buckle. Your knot style depends primarily on the collar style of your formal shirt. Here's some homework. Master all 3 tie knots by finding their tutorial videos on YouTube. Always make sure your belt and shoe color match. Always make sure your sock and trouser color match. Avoid carrying a laptop backpack when you wear a suit. A messenger bag or a sling bag looks much more classy. There's just one more really important accessory which defines your style. Over to you, Diana.
And that accessory is confidence. With confidence, you'll stand out. Your appearance impacts your performance. So pay attention, because this is an investment into your future. To begin with, let's talk about personal hygiene and grooming. Pollution, sunlight, chemicals, and dirt. Let's face it, your face faces a lot. What you need is the CTMP routine. Cleanse your skin using a face wash to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Use a non-alcoholic toner to close skin pores. Keep your skin soft and supple by using a water-based moisturizer. And protect it with sunscreen if you're stepping out. Face done. Moving on to the body now. Soften your skin with some warm water. Use a multi-blade razor with protective Lubra strips to comfortably remove hair without nicks and cuts. Wash off and apply some moisturizer to prevent dryness. And you're done in just 5 minutes.
So I and Diana have covered the 3 essentials of being the best version of yourself: fitness, grooming, and styling.
And while all these 3 are critical, the one thing that helps you stand out as the best version of yourself is confidence.